Hey guys, so in previous video we talked about how to use function and consumer together, and earlier in one of the video we talked about what could be the role of predicate. So we have a role which filters out the teacher's name on the basis of some name. So maybe I will put some characters instead of using a name because name will be kind of different thing. So let's pick some characters. So let's say I have some name. I just want to filter out some names which starts with B or A or something, anything. So the idea is, let's create a predicate for that. So again, predicate, you can add anything. Let me use upside, maybe I can use it later in consumer. So predicate, it takes one input and returns boolean value, right? That's what predicate do. It takes input any type of object, it's just t type. So I'll pass this whole name stuff, that is going to be string type, right? Then let's just call this predicate p equal sign, then I'll call this name because name is going to be processed. Then goes here and I will check name dot starts with, okay, let me use this starts with a. Okay, so if name starts with this, so return true. That's it. That's the only thing I have to write in predicate and it will work. Okay, now when I'm running this for loop, I have to filter there because that's the only place where I can do this. If I do this in consumer, so what's the point of printing true or false? It's not a case here. I just want to print only those names which starts with A. Okay, that's the idea. And let me add some more fields, right? And okay, some more names. Okay, let's say 40. Okay, so we have some more names. Some start with A, some start with A, then B, S, and K. So right now my priority is, my condition is, I just want to use only, I just want to print only or process only those names which starts with A. So I'll say if teacher, not teacher, and that's predicate p dot test, and there I'll pass this reference teacher dot get me the name, and if it is true, only then process that object which has A or something. So right now I have condition A. Okay, so let's run this code and see the output. Run as application, and you can see I'm just getting only two object because it filters out that condition. So that's how you can use predicate. If you change the condition, let's make R. So now we will get these two records. Right click, run as application, and there we go. So we're getting two records. Okay, so that's how you can use predicate. So predicate, function, and consumer are same example. Predicate role is for filter out the result if you have some condition to be fulfilled, so you can use predicate there. Function, if you have some inbuilt requirements, which, and that means you take some input and you want to process something new which is not present in your code, then you can go for a function. And most of the time consumer is used for some internal purpose like processing some, maybe we are doing some database operation where you just need to process that and save something in database, that's it, and you are not expecting any result from there. So there we can use consumer. For now I have it's just a code Java application, so I'm not connected with database. So simply for consumer I'm using just to print stuffs, that's it. So it's totally up to our requirement and then we can use it. The consumer says I'll take input and I'll process it, I won't give you an output. But function returns the object type, predicate returns boolean type, consumer does not. So that's it for consumer topic. In next video we'll start with supplier interface. So stay tuned guys, we will meet in next video. Bye bye.